How are you?
Yes, I am fine. What about you?
And I am fine, Bhaiya. And today I make video. So 7 o'clock I upload my video. Uh, I will one day I will speak fluently. So
Yes, it will happen when you will try and you will do the practice. So of course you will learn.
भैया का I daily practice in English. So day by day improve my English. And one day I saw भैया you. Uh, that one day I thought my mind I will दिव्यांशु भैया बोल सकते हैं तो मैं क्यों नहीं बोल सकता हूँ तो इसके लिए क्या बोलेंगे.
If Divyanshu can talk, so why I cannot do this?
अच्छा हाँ तो दिव्यांशु भैया टॉक सो व्हाट आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग तो तो यू आर माय मोटिवेशन.
No, it is not that. Everyone has their capacity because we are from different background. That's why it has happened. But no, we are the human being, and you are very elder to me, and you have a great experience. So you have a good advantage of me.
So भैया because I live in slum area. So my home live in my है ना whole family and यहाँ माहौल नहीं है बोलने लायक तो इसके लिए क्या
There
बोलते
is a not it our my surrounding is not like where I can speak English.
है ना यस तो my surrounding is not atmosphere in English. So I practice in daily use sentences and I daily practice vocabulary and uh, I am learning my government exam preparation. So this is my whole day practice.
You have a great motivation of discipline of learning English. So one day you will get it if you will see in English.
Uh,
Just practice.
Yes, yes, भैया क्या because just like me when I talk English then my mind is blank. So this is my problem.
Because we do not know so much vocabulary. Like in Hindi, we know many words for one word. Like we can use the table, kursi,
Yes.
and many words we can use. But in English, we don't know about many vocabulary words. That's why our mind will blank. But if you will practice daily, so of course you will get it. Because it has also happened with me. But now I am able to grab something, some word for this.
Uh,
So
just
yeah,
like you and Devendra Bhaiya speak in English fluently. So that time I'm thinking Bhaiya and Divyanshu Bhaiya speak very fluently, and that time I'm very nervous. Feel.
so don't be nervous because you know that we are human being. Everyone has their different capacity. So why you are being nervous? But like we say, we speak English, but we know that we are making many mistakes. I know it very well. So we also make mistake, but practice by practice, we will learn it. So you can also do this.
Yes, Bhaiya. My sister says many things to you. यानी your mom is a teacher and your elder brother is crack means exam neat. So that's उसके बाद मुझे पता चला आपके बारे में.
You know after about this.
ओके ओके तो भैया यू यू आर इंटेलिजेंट तो
No, no, you are thinking that, but I know that I am not like that, but okay, it is fine.
नो भैया बिकॉज that time I'm not speak English very well. So my mind is to my mind is somewhere why I'm not speak English. So I'm totally afraid that time.
Okay. I you know that you are using present tense instead of past tense. So you said something. I think I am thinking, but you have to say that I was thinking.
Okay, okay. So nowadays, bhaiya, my uh, uh, just my daily routine. I am talk about my daily routine. Just so I wake up early in the morning, 7 o'clock, and then after that
Not
I
wake up.
uh,
You woke up, not wake up.
okay, okay, sorry. I woke up at 7 o'clock, and then after that I brush my teeth and hand my wash. Then after that I start my bike, and then uh, go my English classes. Then after that my teacher Avinash sir teach us, and after that coaching closed. Then I came my house. Then after that I take tea. Then I go to take bath. Then I after that I worship. Then I uh, then after that I sit on study. Then I रीड मैं एक यानी अपने एक एक सब्जेक्ट को पढ़ता हूँ, उसके लिए क्या बोलेंगे भी?
I study every subject of mine.
I study every subject of mine. So just like geography, constitution, and MPGK, and and
Okay,
etc.
so your subject in Hindi or English?
No, Hindi only English. Hindi भैया.
In Hindi.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, you're comfortable with that.
Yeah, yeah. Because I'm talk बताया मैंने आपको बताया था. तो
Yes,
I was told.
I told.
I told I am preparing for व्यापम एग्जाम. तो मैं व्यापम एग्जाम को देख के टारगेट कर रहा हूँ. तो
Okay, okay. I am I am targeting whatever exam. Okay.
आई एम टारगेटिंग वॉट एवर एग्जाम. तो माई दिस इज माई डेली रूटीन. तो फिर आफ्टर दैट free time I make videos in English content. Just I daily uploaded English video, and after that I make video. Then after that I make thumbnail, and uh, uh, make a description and title. Then after that 7 o'clock I upload my videos. So after that I go to temple, बादशाह हलवाई मंदिर. देन आफ्टर दैट कम, एंड फिर अगेन आई फिर उसके बाद मैं पढ़ने के लिए बैठ जाता हूँ.
Then I sit for study.
Then I sit for study. So फिर after that I go to eat some food. So then after that I watch YouTube in English videos, just like Well Talk Institute and Meenu Speaking English classes ma'am. Meenu English classes ma'am uh, uploaded videos just like daily conversation, talk with each other. And
Yes,
Well Talk Institute cap sir is uploaded GD video. So
yes.
I daily watch videos both of teacher. So वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही इम्प्रूव करता है इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए.
It improve my English very well.
It improve my English very uh,
Well,
very well. So this is my भैया डेली रूटीन. एंड आपको तो पता ही होगा, मैं आई एम नॉट कंसिस्टेंटली इन इंग्लिश क्लास, बिकॉज माय मोटिवेशन इज नहीं, नाउ डेज माय मोटिवेशन इज वेरी डाउन.
but today you will you attend?
Yes, I will attend continuously, because right now I will talk you. So if
Okay.
if I will talk you, then I will definitely speak in English one day.
You know,
Yeah.
when you whatever you just now you told me your routine, it
Okay.
was your today routine or daily you do this same thing?
Okay. Okay. तो भैया
No,
because
I am I am telling that अभी आपने मेरे को जो रूटीन बताया वो डेली का है कि अभी टुडे
नहीं
का है?
नहीं नहीं, मेरा ये जो पढ़ने वाला जो रूटीन है वो डेली का है, जो मैंने आपको बताया कि मैं इतने बजे पढ़ता हूँ ऐसा ऐसा, वो डेली
ओके
का रूटीन है. दिस इज माय
ओके
डेली रूटीन. ओके. So
ओ दैट्स फाइन.
just yeah, just like I'm talking you. So we and you and me talking that time, and I'm thinking you connect with my यानी आप मुझसे कनेक्ट रहना, तो आप हेल्प करोगे मुझे.
If you will connect, so you will. If you connect, so you will help me.
If you connect, so you will help me. So I have भैया I'm talk about my friend circle. My friend circle is ज्यादा मेरे फ्रेंड्स नहीं है. मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. I want to say my friend is just one or two only, because right now I am facing unemployment, because घर से ही प्रेशर पड़ रहा है. तो
Yes, because wait a minute. It is I am unemployment and there is a pressure of my family.
I'm unemployment, and there are the pressure of my family. So I I am मैं कहीं नहीं जाता हूँ. I will not go any other.
No, I don't go anywhere.
I don't go anywhere. So भैया I'm not meet new person, because my friend is very clever, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, सब
Yes.
चालाक टाइप में है. वो अपना अपना देखते हैं, क्योंकि सम फ्रेंड्स जैसे जस्ट लाइक कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स उनकी मैरिज हो गई है.
Like they have got married.
They had got marriage, and one my friend, he's no more in world. So
Yes.
so 6 to 7 month यानी 6 से 7 महीने से, यानी मेरा माइंड उतना अच्छा से काम नहीं करता.
My mind is not working from since 7 or 8 months.
My mind is not working for 7 or 8 months. Say because I'm when we study, then I thinking my friend Hitesh. So I मैं उसमें डेप्थ पे चला जाता हूँ. I
I चले जाता हूँ.
hmm,
I go to in depth.
I
I go to in depth.
I go to in depth. So I'm not saying कि I am a loser, but uh, I never give up, because in my engineering I never give up, and I failed many times. I failed many times भैया, because कभी मैंने हार मानना नहीं सीखा है.
I never learn to. I never learn defeat.
I never learn in defeat. So भैया मेरा सोचना ये रहता है, uh,
Yes.
मेरा सोचना ये रहता है, इसके लिए क्या बोलेंगे.
My thinking is like that.
My thinking is like that, when we failed, then recently I restart again and again. यानी कब तक मुझे हार हराएगी, तब तक मैं हारने के लिए तैयार हूँ.
How many time? How many time? Har, how many time? I, I will lose. How many time I will lose?
How many times I will lose. So भैया my mindset develop in engineering time. So when M1 subject M1 subject my not cleared, and theory subject एक बार में clear हो जाते थे हम. तो one time cleared.
My future was cleared
Yes,
in
because
one.
I'm talk about 10th exam and 12th exam comes. So when I used to coaching, then that time uh, I mathematics subject I remember, मैं याद कर लेता था मैथ्स को.
I remembered mathematics
हाँ,
subject that time.
I remember mathematical subject. Then 10th subject 75 dictation. Got a 75 dictation. And I not यानी मेरे से गणित अभी भी नहीं बनती और इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, बट मैं गणित को याद कर लेता था.
I'm not able to solve mathematics, but and I also do not interested in mathematics, but I learned in mathematics.
यस भैया, क्या है बिकॉज राइट नाउ व्हेन जब भी मैं पढ़ता हूँ, व्हेन आई स्टडी देन आई I learn theory subject only because I'm not saying I'm afraid mathematics subject, but I have no interest because mathematics subject when I solve uh, solve, then my mind is uh, totally blank and slowly running. So that I have not interested for mathematics.
Yes, that is the actual reason that's why I'm not able to solve the mathematics because until and unless we do not have the interest in any field, so how can we solve it?
Yes भैया, क्या because भैया nowadays I I have a lot of pressure because my age is running out, यानी कि बढ़ रही है हर साल. तो my family and my brother says कब तक पढ़ोगे, when you study.
You know that there is a no age limit of study.
तो बिकॉज भैया टू जैसे आई एम सेइंग, देखता हूँ जब भी मैं आप लोगों को देखता हूँ, व्हेन वी
When we saw you,
व्हेन वी सॉ यू, जस्ट लाइक you and देवेंद्र भैया, देन आई थिंकिंग आई एम यानी उस समय मैं सोचता हूँ कि मुझसे क्यों नहीं बन पा रहा है,
why I am not able to do this.
why I am not able to do this. तो भैया बट फिर भी बट स्टिल आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश एंड फिर भी मैं तैयारी कर ही रहा हूँ सीखने के लिए, एंड जब तक बनेगा नहीं तब तक छोड़ूंगा नहीं कॉन्सेप्ट ये.
And when until I got it or I learned it, I will never uh, I will never drop it.
ओके ओके भैया.
Okay, you know that when uh, from 4 or 5 months ago you was not able to speak English. You was using your notebook and read and write your and wrote whatever you want to say.
Yeah.
Then you use your copy to speak. But just see, like in nowadays you do not do this because gradually you are increasing your capacity in English and learning English and speaking English very well. So we are from the different background. We are from Hindi medium. So you see that you are now 28-year old, but still you are able to speak English within a 4 months. So gradually you will improve your English. So it is time taking process. So don't be panic. Just learn as a skill or as your personality development. So don't be panic. Just practice day by day. You will learn it easily.
ओके भैया, आपका साथ रहेगा तो आई विल स्पीकिंग.